This meeting is being recorded.
All right, we're going to record Guitars to Saddles today, and this is a really pretty song by Trinity Seeley. I am going to share my screen with you so that you can see the lead sheet at the same time, and we're going to put this on the big screen so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to actually have the recording going on at the same time. The first part of this was talking about the walking bass line. We also talked about bar chord, so I'm going to use the F bar chord. And in this, on this first line, introduction, it talks about walking, G, A, B. I'm going to be playing those notes to walk up to the C chord. So I'm just going to show you those notes real fast, and then we're going to get right into this song. So this is a G, which is on the lowest string, 6th string, on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to play an open 5th string, which is an A, and then you're going to put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. So you got a G, A, B, then you're going to go right to that C chord. I'm just going to play that introduction for you so you can hear that F. This is a lot slower than the recording. Then it repeats, okay? So we're going to play the recording. I'll do my best to stay up with it, and I'm hoping you can really pay attention to the fingers. If you have any questions with that, you can watch the fingers. Okay, here we go. Another bar chord, B. Here's the introduction again. I'm a mother, lover, fighter, a hugger. The other side of the hill. We're growing older, winds blowing colder. I'm over, looking for more. Back up to the chorus. When the big skies start calling, nowhere I'll be. Horseback somewhere I'm free. Let the world go away just for the day. This is a 5-string bar chord, the A. I'm searching the rhythm of being young. It all comes together for a moment in time. 'Cause I'm a mother, a lover, fighter, a hugger. And I'm mother, wishing for That's such a pretty one. Okay, before I should have explained this at the beginning, but your bar chord that I was talking about is the B bar chord. Your F is a 6-string bar chord, so you're going to use all 6 strings. This B is going to be a 5-string bar chord, and it's the same shape as an A major. So here's your A major. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3 fingers, and if you move that up and then put all your fingers down, your first finger on the lower 5 strings, that is an B major. Same as the other, you can make that shape and just keep moving it up, and you have all these different chords that you can make, and they're going by half steps. So here's your B, then we're going to go up, so this would be B, C, and then a C sharp, and after that would be a D. Like you're going up the keyboard if you were to play the piano. So that is a B bar chord. All right, well, hopefully if you're trying to work on this song, that helped a little bit. And we will look forward to the next song.